Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I am going to be doing exactly what I told you guys. I'm going to be doing my roots and dye my hair. So we are going to be using our trusty Blue Flash lightener, powder lightener. I got a new bag because I'm almost out. And I'm also going to be, and that's from Salon Care. I'm also going to be using the Salon Care 40 volume developer for these very, very dark roots. So if you want to see how my hair turns out, then keep on watching. Alright, so if the camera shakes a little bit, Kylie is coloring on the other side of the table, so I apologize for that. But I have not washed my hair in 3 days. I wanted the natural oils to really saturate the hair follicles and the shafts, so that we can have as much nurturing to the hair as possible. So I don't usually like to bleach it when it's freshly washed because the hair is already kind of dried out with this shampoo. So I wait a few days before I bleach it. Alright, so that's what we're doing today. I have my scale, I have my bleach, I have my gloves, I have everything I need. So first thing I want to do, I couldn't find my little mixing bowl, so I'm just going to use this one, half of it. Okay, so I have my hair pinned back, just this part right here. I have my mixture ready to go. I do have some of these, and the reason I grabbed some of these is just to try to protect the hair underneath from being contaminated with the bleach. So I'm just going to rip this in half. I'm only going to use halves at a time. And my plan is just to put a little bit of bleach on the top side of this.
Yes, 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 yes.
Just to give it something for the hair to stick to. And then I'm going to put this right up against my head, like that. And then I'm going to put bleach on this section right here, making sure to avoid the roots. It's kind of a hot mess right now, but I'm just trying to figure this stuff as I go. I'm really trying to avoid accidentally bleaching the side. So now that I have that hair out, the clip out, I'll go ahead and really try to apply the bleach to the parts of the hair that are not bleached yet without overlapping too much. Alright guys, got the bleach in my hair. Everything else is not getting bleached. All this right here I will put pink dye on so that over time, it'll at least be the same color as the top until over time it gets cut off. So yeah, I will see you guys in about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm just going to let this develop. I'll be checking it often and maybe less than that. And then I'm going to go rinse off and I'll come back to do the toning. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I have washed out my hair. And as you can see, it is quite orange. That is to be expected with my hair. My roots always come out orange, very, very orange. So I do have the Wella T18 toner, which I am going to be applying. I'm hoping it will help tone down some of this orange, but I mean, overall it's orange. Clearly it's orange. I did have my hair dyed blue before this, so the blue does tend to cancel out orange, that may have been left over from my last hair dye job, my last bleach job. So I am going to be putting in the Wella T18 toner. Hopefully that will help cancel out some of this orange before I dye it. So yeah, that's attractive. Oh, there's a little bit of brown left in there. That's great. Beautiful. How did I miss that? Holy cow. That's a huge chunk to miss. Oh well, it is what it is. Can't do anything to change it now. We're just gonna go ahead and tone it and dye it, and that lovely right there, that little mess right there will just be brown amongst all the colors. So whatever, I'll have to get it next time. I'm not applying bleach to that right now to try to fix it because I might make my hair fall out. So all right, so that's it. Maybe I can get that side to come this way. Nope, it's part of the longer hair. Oh well. Not stressing about it. We'll see how it looks in the end. It may not look too bad once the color's in. I know it looks terrible right now, but you just gotta trust the process. That's just how it works. Trust the process. Alright. Oh, there is some here too. Look at that. Okay, well, whatever. Trust the process. Okay, so yeah, most of that, some of it's here and some of it's up there. How did I do that? How did I do that? I have never had a spot so bad. That's that one. Okay, so the top is really just a couple of streaks. It's all mostly right there. Right there. Right there. I don't know how I did that, but it is what it is. We'll just have to work with it. So, alright. The good thing is my hair was easy to comb through. No major knots. I'm just going to wrap it back up in a towel to keep it moist. No, ew, I hate that word. To keep it damp so that I can apply the toner when I get my toner developer. I forgot. And I sent Kyle out for it. So once he comes back with that, then I can apply the toner and see what happens afterwards. So I'll see you guys after I apply my toner and let it run its course and then come back and show you the results. All right, then we gotta get into the color. All right, so I got my toner developer and my Wella T18 lightest ash blonde toner. And we're gonna see if this toner can help save these orange roots. At least enough to get the hair color in, which I'm still gonna put it in regardless because I'm not gonna work with orange roots. So no matter what this turns out like, we are doing color regardless, so. All right, so we're just gonna try to focus this on the oranginess that is my hair. So let's leave that in, probably for half an hour if I can stand it. And then I will wash it out and get back to you guys. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Alright guys, so let me give you a close-up look. Not all the orange is gone, and I do still have that little brown spot there, but whatever. But we gotta go on with it. I mean, it's the way it turned out. I'm not going to retone it. I don't want to keep putting the peroxide on it. So we're just going to dye it and hope for the best. Hopefully that will kind of give it like a routage type of look. I don't know. Why is my camera blurry? Focus. Focus. There we go. Okay. Alright, so I am going to be using the color Flamingo. And this is a new brand for me. This is the Ion Color Brilliance. I used this on Joey's hair when I dyed his hair green last year. And it was a really pretty color, so I'm trusting that this will look good. It has no peroxide, so I am going to be mixing it with some conditioner to stretch out the color and to add extra conditioning to my hair. If you hear Kylie squealing in the background, she's playing with her toys. So this is what the tube looks like. And I might, I'm not sure, add a little bit of fuchsia pink into this, just to kind of customize the color a little bit. Not 100% yet. Let's see what the pink actually looks like. I was going more for like a rose gold pink, but I couldn't find one that I liked. So this was the next closest thing. Just like it's more of a cool tone pink. So yeah, it's got more of a purple sheen to it. I just put the entire tube in here, because why not? If I have leftover, I have leftover. All right, there is the color right there. And I'm just going to squeeze some conditioner in and slowly build up to the desired shade. All right, let's start with that and see what we get. I'm going to use this brush to mix and apply. This is the one I was using to part my hair. I washed it, obviously. Okay, Michaela. I think I'm going to add a little bit of purple to this. I think I'm going to make it more of a lavender color. Can you hand me the purple? I think I'm going to make it more lavender. I think for spring it'll be really pretty. This is kind of bubblegum pink, and I'm not a big fan of that. So.
We used the whole tube of purple last time.
Yeah, I know. So I have a whole tube of like a purple dye.
That's like very blue toned.
It's a very blue toned purple. The last time I dyed my hair purple, it actually looked blue. It's the Purple Plum from In My Age. And I'm just going to put a touch of this on there just to make it a little bit more lavender. I just put a little dab of that in there. Let's go ahead and mix it up. Wow, that purple is strong. I barely put anything in there. Wow, look at that. It just turned it completely purple. Nope, this is the color I'm gonna end up with. So not the color I planned on, but the color I'm gonna use. It will help to neutralize a lot of this orange. So as it fades out, it will be more white or silver instead of orange. And Kylie just dropped a toy. So I meant to go pink, but I put a touch of purple in there just to kind of make it a little bit more lavender.
Okay.
And this is an extremely strong pigment. It turned purple.
Purple.
So we're going purple.
Purple it is.
Purple it is.
Hey, you should go purple. Good job.
Hey, thanks. That's a good idea. Let's go with that. All right. So I'm going to start out by pushing all this hair this way as far as I can. And we're just going to brush a little bit of this color down through here. Just to get all these little hairs. I have a little mirror right in front of me, so just put lots of color right there. Alright, I'm just going to let this sit for, however long I feel like, maybe an hour, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like after I have rinsed it out. So I will see you guys in about a little over an hour. Alright guys, so here is the final result. We do have a little bit of that brown peeking through right there, but other than that, I think the color came out really nice. Really, really nice, in spite of the orangey roots. I think it came out really nice and even. It's really pretty color. It looks a lot more purple now than it did the first time, and it's super shiny. That is just gorgeous. I'm very, very happy with the way it turned out. Little things like this I'll fix the next time I do my roots, so no big deal. But yeah, so that is the way my hair turned out. The toner worked really well, took a lot of that orange out, and I think she's gonna love it. So I'm gonna go show her my hair. She hasn't seen it yet, and then we're gonna get to dyeing her hair. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.